Hi, I'm Wayne with Headsets Direct. In this video series, we want to help you solve your communication issues. One common problem we hear from customers is about voice fade, and that's where your voice volume fluctuates to your caller, and most people don't understand why. Anyone that's using a wired headset like this, the earbud style, the microphone is built into the cable. So if you speak directly forward and your voice doesn't change in direction from where the mic is, you'll come across at a certain level. But as soon as you look to the left or right, your voice changes from where it's trying to be picked up at the microphone, and that's where you will experience voice fade. So it's something you don't realize you're doing, but your callers will obviously notice every time you turn your head that something changed, not understanding why. The way to solve this is to make sure you're using a headset with a fixed microphone. So if you have like wireless earbuds, the mic is up here and your head will turn, well, it turns with the headset. So that's a bit of a solution. Your mic is still back here, so it won't give you the best pickup. The best approach is to get a true headset that has a mic boom, because if you can put the mic boom as close to your mouth as possible, that way your voice is picked up by the microphone and transmits a clear and consistent amount of audio volume to your caller. So that could be on a cell phone call or through the laptop, but you'll always have the same position of where the microphone is versus where your mouth is. Hopefully this helps, and if you have questions on this or need a headset that will solve this problem, give us a call at 1-800-914-7996 or visit us online at www.headsetsdirect.com. Thanks.